Hi there, students. Inordinate, inordinately. This is an adjective which means excessive, unreasonable, inappropriate, in magnitude, extreme, exceeding what is reasonable. So, for example, £10 for a cup of coffee is inordinate. It's an inordinate price. I always go to work by car because public transport takes an inordinate amount of time. Unreasonable, more than it should, more than you are willing to accept. The punishment was inordinate. The punishment did not fit the crime. And here, it's clear that the punishment was much too severe. Otherwise, I would say the punishment was inordinately lenient. The British drink an inordinate amount of alcohol. These two spend an inordinate amount of time talking. So notice, an inordinate amount of something. So, an inordinate amount of time, an inordinate amount of money, an inordinate amount of energy. Yeah? They used inordinate effort, an inordinate amount of effort. He takes inordinate pride in his work. So, too much, more than is reasonable. English pronunciation and spelling is inordinately difficult. Don't you think there's an inordinate amount of advertising on television? If your teacher gives you 1 hour of homework, that's inordinate. If he gives you 8 hours of homework to do for tomorrow, that's inordinate. So 1 hour is reasonable. 10 hours is inordinate. You worry inordinately about things. Don't you think that cat videos are inordinately popular in YouTube? So, inordinate. What about formality? I think I'd probably give this maybe a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, but I might just use the word excessive. Yeah? Great for something semi-formal and very formal. And it comes from Latin inordinatus, meaning disordered or irregular. Inordinare, not ordered. So, inordinate, too much. There are probably an inordinate number of videos in my channel. And I think I've probably now spent an inordinate amount of time talking about this word. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Inordinate.